how would it be easier to literally use one foot
and then swivel?
that's too much work.
No, it's not.
No. Whoever drives like that, you're a fucking dumbass.
Who drives with one foot like you're
You drive the
supposed to?
gas and your other foot's right here chilling. So when you need a brake, you take that one off, brake.
No.
Then you take it down. Literally. Brake. Lift this one up. Or you can just chill it. Then you gas it. Brake it. Gas it. Brake it. Gas it. Brake it. You can't go from gas to brake. That's too much effort.
That's literally how I drive. One.
Who drives one-footed out there?
The whole world.
The whole world does not.
Unless you drive a standard.
Who's more right? Who drives
I'm
with one
pretty
foot?
sure they tell you not to drive with 2 feet. Because if you push them both at the same time and you freak out if there's a crash, you're gonna fuck up your.
So you're gonna drive with one foot, and then all of a sudden just up. That's so much harder.
No,
Literally, if you just
only use
gas,
one at a time anyways.
brake, gas, brake, gas,
You only
brake.
use one at a time.
You do use one at a time, but it's easier if you're just foot's chilling here, and this one, slow off the gas, put it there, brake. Easy. So,
with just one.
no, it's not. It's easy with one foot. Like, look, you literally, no.
Just swivel. It's not hard.
Just
Sometimes-
swivel. No,
Yeah.
literally all you have to do is just put this one. You have to just swivel this one.
I mean, it's the same, twice as work. Twice as much work.
That's why we got these big old calves.
Wow.
Who is more right? Do you drive with 2 feet, or do you drive with one like her?
It's logical.
What is more logical? Literally,
2 feet
gassing,
makes sense when
gassing
you're
with
driving
one,
a
and then brake,
standard.
gassing, brake, or does it make more sense just gas and then just brake, and then you just take it off, chill, brake, gas,
Yeah, but
brake.
what if you panic and you both down into the floor?
You're not, because literally,
I know.
that's the same thing, because literally you could just push the gas and the brake at the same time if you got
can
big
feel
feet.
them. I don't know. That's my thing.
Let us know who is right, me or her. One-footed
You
driver.
only need 2 feet when you have a standard car.
No.
One needs to be the clutch.
Who's right? How do you guys drive out there? Do you drive with 2 feet? Do you drive with one?
1 foot.
We've been arguing about this, so let's see
I don't
who's
even know
more
how
right.
it came up. He was just.
Because I
You
said,
drive 2 feet?
hey, speak my opinion on topics. Hi, I'm Smooth J. It's Slim Fry. We out.